to turn off age restriction mode on YouTube. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So in today's video we are going to see how you can turn off age restriction mode on YouTube. So before starting the video, like the video, subscribe the channel, and let's get started the video. So before going to YouTube, you just need to get the latest version of YouTube. For that you just need to go your Play Store or Apple Store and check is there any update is available. If your device is already updated, then you just need to go to the YouTube app by clicking on YouTube icon. We are on the YouTube app, and here you just need to click on this top right corner. After that you just need to click on setting option. Here there are many options, just click on general. After clicking on general, just scroll it down, and here you will see a second option called restricted mode, and this mode is on, so we want to turn it off. So for that you just simply click here and it is done. So this is how you can easily turn off age restriction mode, and then you can easily view any kind of video which are age restricted. So hope this video will help you to understand. If it does, like the video, subscribe the channel. We'll be in the next one. Till then, take care. Goodbye.